This is a cool backpack. Even the name of the company that makes this bag is cool. Ucon Acrobatics. No idea what that name even means, but it sounds pretty cool. The bag is made with recycled materials, which is cool. It comes in these really nice colorways, which is cool. The bag is so cool that it's even carried at the MoMA store in New York. That's right, the Museum of Modern Art carries Ucon Acrobatics. This is one of those bags that when you wear it, you just feel cool. So today we're going to look at this bag, we're gonna pack it up for a long weekend trip, and then we're gonna weigh it to make sure we're under that 7 kilogram limit, because I think this is a great bag that you can bring along on your next long weekend trip. Ucon Acrobatics is a Berlin-based travel brand focusing on minimalism, creativity, and sustainability. They've been around for over 20 years and make some of the most beautiful bags you will find. Affiliate link in the description to support Ucon Acrobatics as well as this channel. So the reason I chose the Yuto Medium Backpack for the Packing Under 7 Kilograms series is I believe it's going to be a great option for long weekend travel due to its waterproof materials and its large interior pocket, which you'll easily be able to fill up with a packing cube. While simplistic, this bag has everything you need for those shorter trips when you just want to bring along a personal item. The Yuto comes in at 49 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters for a total capacity of 23 liters, and it weighs 1.1 kilograms. The bag is part of Ucon Acrobatics' Lotus Infinity series, which means it's made with a custom ultra-durable proprietary tech material called PureTex. The PureTex material is made from recycled textile waste and finished with a rigid coating of solvent-free polyurethane. So it's about 50-50 polyurethane and polyester. You can read all about it on their website, but it has a really unique, soft, rubbery feel to it, which I actually really like. The bag comes in 4 different colorways, including the dark sand and glacier gray you're looking at here, and the Yuto Medium Backpack is going to run you $179 US. So before we pack this thing up, let's check out the bag in a little more detail. There's going to be a small zipper pocket on the front for accessories and anything you're going to need quick access to. There's 2 large water bottle pockets, one on each side. And then moving to the back, you're going to find some wide and pretty decently padded shoulder straps along with a sternum strap. There's also a nicely padded back panel along with a zipper on the back for secondary access into that main compartment. So moving to that main compartment, there's a metal buckle that you'll hook in the front, and then the main compartment has a zippered flap. So once you get inside there, there's a suspended laptop sleeve, along with 2 mesh pockets and a key leash. And that's pretty much it. Simplicity at its finest. So now let's go ahead and pack this thing up for a long weekend trip. And I'm going to be using a large packing cube for this one, since it is a top loader bag. And my new general rule of thumb is no packing cubes if it's a clamshell style backpack, but use a packing cube if you're going to pack up a top loader bag. Also, remember, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. So let's start things off with this large compression packing cube from Minimal. This thing is perfect if you want to put all of your clothes in one large cube, which I suggest doing for a shorter trip like this. We'll bring along 3 pairs of boxer briefs and 3 pairs of socks. I'll take a pair of gym shorts as well as an extra pair of pants. I'm going to pack a sweatshirt, a polo, and then 2 t-shirts. And that's really going to do it for the clothes. So let's start with this main pocket, which is also going to have your laptop sleeve, and I'm actually going to be bringing an iPad Pro on this trip. Also in this main pocket, I'm going to be putting my charger along with a Field Notes notebook, and more videos on those Field Notes notebooks coming in the very near future. I'll also bring along a pen as well as a portable power bank to keep my phone charged while I'm walking around. Also, I'm going to add in my DOP kit, which is also from Minimal. Lastly, let's pack up the front pocket, and we're going to start with this 33 1/3 book on A Tribe Called Quest's first album, which is actually my 9-month-old daughter's favorite record to listen to at the moment. She's really been into 90s hip hop in the recent weeks, and it's pretty awesome. I'll also bring along my passport, my AirPods, and my handheld video game device from Anbernic. So now let's weigh this thing to make sure we're under that 7-kilogram limit. And there we go, a successful pack at just over 5 kilograms. So what do you think of the Yuto backpack from Ucon Acrobatics? Do you think this bag is as cool as I do, or am I just a sucker for colorful minimalism? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.